welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial with a little bit of a twist, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Starting out, I'm going to take that light shade right there, and I'm going to pop that into my crease as my transition shade. So now I'm going to take that very light peachy color right there, and I'm actually going to mix it with this mid-tone pink right up here. And the reason that I'm mixing the two colors together on my lid is that I don't want it to be too light, and I also don't want it to be too bright. So by mixing the two together, I kind of got the perfect shade that I wanted on my lid. Now I'm just going to add that soft brown shadow to my crease. Now I'm just going to use a clean eyeshadow brush with nothing on it, and I'm going to use this to blend everything out so that way there is no harsh lines and everything just looks like it kind of just flows together. Now I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes. Now I'm just going to put on some mascara, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is like my favorite mascara ever from the drugstore. Bronzer from my Ulta Cheek palette. I'm trying to use this bronzer up, so that's why we're going to be using it today. So now I'm going to use this blush and the highlighter from this e.l.f. Total Face palette. I really love the highlighter in here. It gives you such a nice, subtle, natural glow to the skin, and I just really like that. And I also really like this blush up here because it's not too pigmented. It's literally just right. So and then last but certainly not least is lips, and I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Be My Baby. This is just a beautiful nude, and I actually pair this with a lip liner from Ulta, but I cannot find that lip liner anywhere in my makeup drawer, so I'm thinking I might have moved it around when I was doing some reorganizing, but yeah, I'm just going to be using this today. That's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really did enjoy this Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial, and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.